What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're going to take you behind the scenes. We are wash some clothes the old school way, hand wash style. Yeah, let's go.
You want the work, you know the one there.
Oh.
Yeah, another man, another.
Oh. Yes, people, so you wash clothes, hand wash clothes, you see? Jamaican style. Alright guys, so right now she just rinse out the clothes them. Yeah. Like I said guys, it wasn't a lot of clothes, but we just never want to keep them too long in the bags them, We want to make sure so we carry back some clean clothes when we go back home and stuff. And also have extra clothes to wear while we're here. Yeah. So after this we just go squeeze them out and put them on the line. People, so we just want to see a little bit of the behind the scene action. That's that for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.